Brad Hall here with a lot to cover today. The third version of the Yeezy 700. It's here. I'm gonna tell you all about this shoe. I'm also gonna help you decide if this shoe is right for you with some very exciting new technology. All of that ahead. There are a lot of big changes to the Yeezy 700 this time around. The first thing you notice, it is a lot sleeker, a lot more futuristic, less daddy-like than before. The cushioning is totally different, no longer boost. You get a nice blue foam down there. And then the price of this one, it is a lot less. Now going back to that shape of the shoe, the midsole on this one, it is very similar to that Yeezy 380. It's got an angled running shoe-like heel on it, and it's totally smooth. The upper is made up of a lightweight mesh, and then you've also got this cage going around it. It is a glow-in-the-dark, plasticky cage. It gives it this kind of skeleton-like look. Going back down to that bottom, you can see the cushioning in this, and it feels very different, a lot more firm than Boost. I do like the way these look on foot a great deal, especially from that top-down view. There's a really nice shape to them, and I do like that toe piece a lot. From the side, you get a taste of that midsole, and it's so curvy, just really nicely sculpted, a fine-looking shoe on foot. Now, if you're thinking about getting this shoe, I want to help you decide if it looks good on you. So I've come up with something that I think is really going to help with that. It's based on the technology in the movie Cats. The way they made the actors look like cats, they had them wear green screen suits, then put the realistic cat fur on top of that. So I applied that same technology to trying on shoes. All you need at home is a computer with some video editing software, and then using this clip of me in my very own green screen suit, you can put yourself into these shoes in a highly realistic way. So just use that clip that I just showed you, and then to give you an idea of what it looks like, I did my own example. It is really cool what you can do with technology these days. So give that a shot if you want to. And that was today's show with the 700 V3. Thanks for watching.